channel presenting a brand new scanner from Mustek. The DocScan S400 might be the world's first integrated made for iPad scanner you've ever met. It comes in two colors, white and black. The DocScan S400 works with iScan app, which is available on the Apple Store for free. DocScan S400 is not just a scanner, but also a docking cradle that allows hands-free viewing and reading. It also behaves as a charging station for iPad 2 and iPad. Getting started to your DocScan S400. First, get your iPad USB power adapter. Connect it to the USB port of the scanner, then press the power button. Start your iPad, then iPad will guide you through the download of iScan app from App Store. Simply insert the photo and adjust the paper guide, then tap the scan button. The scan starts with a progressive preview on the iPad screen. When the image is fully displayed, the scan is complete. Tap the screen, then tap the Set button. It scans up to legal size of document. Back up your important certificate to your iPad. It's so easy. Open the photo library, and you'll find your scanned image. You may tap to open it for advanced print, email, and editing. DocScan, your best choice. For more information, please visit Mustek global website at www.mustek.com.tw.